Hello, I'm Sachin, and today we'll learn object prototype in JavaScript. So first is need. So in JavaScript, we have object constructors, which is a special function which is used to create and initialize an object instance of a class. It is called when we use the new keyword to create an object. There are properties in key value pair in it. But we cannot add new property or method to an existing object constructor. So for that, we need a prototype in JavaScript to add the new property and method. So what is object prototype? Prototype extends the object with additional properties and methods. All JavaScript objects inherit properties and methods from a prototype. Prototypes are a powerful and very flexible feature of JavaScript to reuse code and combine objects. As date object inherit from date.prototype, array and person from person.prototype and array.prototype. Date object, array and person object inherit from object.prototype. There is the inheritance into it. How it is used? The parameter method which are added later, they are added in the same manner as in the original object by adding dot prototype in between the object keyword and the property method key. But we only modify our own prototype and never modify the prototype of standard JavaScript object, which are object, array, and person. These are standard objects. Now we'll have an example of constructor class. So let's say person is the constructor and we have defined its name as John, age as 23. Now we have created an instance of person from a person class by adding a new keyword. And now we want to find the name. We are console logging the person.name and for age person.age. Let's check what is coming. So we are having John and 23. So this is the constructor function. Now we will see the constructor with parameter. Now this is the same constructor. We have the parameters as name, age and gender. We have defined the name, age, gender in this manner, and we have one method as greet. The greet method is giving to return the hi, I am this dot name. Now we are creating instance. Person one is an instance of person by creating the new keyword, and it is having the parameter as name as John, age 23, and gender male, and person 2 is Sam, 25, female. Now we are console logging the person 1 name. It should be come out as John, and person 2 greet, it should come out as hi, I am Sam by this method. Now let's check it. Yes, name is John and person 2 greet is hi, I am Sam. Now next we see the prototype. So this is the same constructor function person, same properties and same method, same values. Let's check the result. Yes, personal greet is I am John and personal age is 25. Now we want to add the property. So we will add property by using the prototype word. So person dot prototype, person is our constructor function, and let's say we are giving its property as job. We are fixing it as null. Then we are giving it the person one instance of the person is person one, and we are fixing its declaring its job as developer. Okay. Now how to access the property? To access the property, let's say we are console logging the job. Let's check it. Yes, it is giving the job as developer. Now how to add the method? You can see to add method, just function, then prototype, and then the name of the method reply. The reply is a method which is returning as nice to meet you. I am this dot name. So when we access this, let's run it. It's giving nice to meet you. I'm Sam. So we have created this prototype after creating the object, and these are giving the results. Thank you.